Can you learn automation in 7 days? Answer is no. That's a big lie. And here's a ground reality which nobody tells you. You might see a lot of YouTube videos, lot of articles that learn Selenium in 1 week, learn Java in 1 week. You will also see a couple of courses that will say that become expert in maybe 2 weeks or 1 week. But trust me, guys, if you want to become an automation expert, if you want to understand automation in depth, you need minimum 4 to 5 months. And I will tell you why I am talking about 4 to 5 months. See, the moment you talk about 4 to 5 months, I'm talking about number of hours. Now let's take one scenario that you took only 1 week to learn Selenium. You might understand basics, you might understand basics of locators, you might write a basic scripting. But will you become expert in 1 week? The answer is no. Now, if you want to really become automation test engineer, please create a roadmap of 4 to 5 months. I'm assuming that you're working and you can take out 1 or 2 hours in a day. Obviously, if you're not working, then maybe you can learn little faster. But I'm imagining that if you're working as a manual tester and you want to learn automation, you need minimum 4 to 5 months. First month you spend only on programming language. Understand the foundation. Let's say you're picking up Java or Python. Let's say Java. You understand data types, variable, loops, conditional statement, arrays, strings. Then you go through OOPS concept, collection, exception handling, right? Now, once you're done with Java, 1 month is enough to understand core concepts of Java. Then now, second month, you pick Selenium. Okay, you could take all the different components of Selenium, understand how Selenium works, architecture, class hierarchy, how to work with different browsers, how to write proper locators, how to handle dynamic elements, how do you handle dynamic weights, right? Understand. Second month should be focusing only on your Selenium. So 1 month, 20 hours, almost let's say 20 to 25 days are enough to learn Selenium. Now, third month, you focus on framework. You understand how to work with TestNG framework, how to work with Maven build, how to work with page object model, and using all these concepts, you third month focus on framework building. How you can write a better code, how you can write reusable code, how to write framework at industry standards. So third month will be focusing on how you can build a proper test with proper framework with proper design pattern. Now you will see a bigger picture, okay? Because now you have gone through a proper structured manner, you will see that yes, you are able to build something. Fourth month, you have to focus on integration and polishing your current test. Now you will be pushing your code to GitHub. You will understand how to work with pipelines, how to work with AWS, Azure, or different cloud platforms, how to build your own reporting, and you will understand how to work in real time. So now your all dots will be connected. Right from Java till your pipeline, all dots will be connected. And now you focus on your resume preparation. And after this, please do not stop. After this, learn BDD framework, learn API testing, learn about Postman, rest assured, because web automation alone will not help. Nowadays, market is so competitive that if you just learn web automation, it's not enough. You need both web automation plus API automation. And trust me, if you spend 4 to 5 months, this can be achieved easily. But please do not rely on motivation. You need a discipline. Every single day, 1 hour or 2 hours, you need minimum to write code, to practice. Obviously, you will make mistakes. You will take help of ChatGPT. You will take help of YouTube. That is perfectly fine. Everybody does that, but nobody is telling you. So you take out your own time, do this. But if you think that yes, you need somebody as accountability partner, you need a proper training, go through the proper training, right? Because training will give you a bigger picture, a real time scenarios, and you will get better understanding when you go through the training. But if you are okay with self discipline, it can be achieved. And let me tell you some additional points. So within this 4 to 5 months, your brain actually absorb concept. Within 1 week, it's hardly impossible, but still, if you do it, you will mess up a lot of things. In the 5 months, you will make a lot of mistakes, and trust me, you will learn from these mistakes. You will also build your muscle memory because now you're writing the code you're implementing. You will also understand how these things are connected, how things works internally. That is where you will see you're different from the crowd. You will focusing more on debugging skills. That also is very important the moment you start writing code. You are not just copying the tutorials, you are actually implementing. Okay, this is not slower, this is a smarter approach. Yeah, so please stop rushing, start building, go slow. It's okay to go slow, but make sure you understand things in depth. That is what you need in order to learn automation in a long run.